Hi, my name's Cyrus, and I want to take you on an amazing wine journey. An interactive voyage through the world of wine, one that touches all your senses and that you can enjoy from the comfort of your living room.
Until now, wine courses weren't really made for you, the wine lover, but for people looking to work in wine. As a result, the courses are dry and completely stripped of all the magic, the emotion, the culture, the art. If you wanted to discover and experience the thrills of driving, you'd probably go to a racetrack and not a driving school. The same is true with wine. You don't want a license, but you want to learn to understand and truly enjoy it. This is why we've decided to create a course like nothing you've seen before. Through the use of video and virtual reality, we want you to experience those magical moments of wine, such as visiting wineries and vineyards or learning about some of the secrets of wine from the winemakers themselves. But it's not just video and VR. What would wine be if you didn't engage your other senses and you didn't actually get to taste and experience wine? This is why we're also including a course toolkit, which includes wines in sample bottles, a selection of key wine scents and tastes, as well as aromas and color guides and texture books. This means you can really learn about wine through lots of fun, interactive activities to develop your sense of smell and taste, as well as helping your understanding of the many aspects of tasting and the actual enjoyment part of wine.
This is why we're here today, to ask for your help to make this course a reality. The course has been written and storyboarded. The wineries are ready to welcome us. The wines are ready to go into little sample taster size, and the boxes are ready to go. We've got partnerships in place for distribution throughout most of the world, but we need funding for the filming, development and design of this course. As you'll see, we have many perks for anyone supporting us. They're all offered at super discounted prices as a form of thank you for your support. I really can't wait to bring you an unbelievable wine experience, a journey, a voyage through this wonderful world that is wine. And until then, as we say in France, santé!